Hi guys, hope you're all okay. It's Chantel. Welcome back to my channel. Now I've got something quite different for you today. I've collaborated with a company called Zinff Optica, and what they're known for is high quality affordable glasses. They do prescription and non-prescription glasses, and they also have a range of sunglasses as well. And when I looked on the website, they've got so many different options. They've got anything that you would want, honestly. They let me choose 2 different pairs of glasses, and I found it a struggle to pick because there were so many, and they're all super nice. They've got like really classic ones, they've got quite quirky ones, a little bit out there. They've just got everything. So I really like the look of all the glasses they've got. They've got all different sorts of colours, and they just looked really amazing on the website. So I chose 2 pairs of glasses, and they've came, and I'm going to do a little unboxing for you all. So let's get straight into it. So this is the packaging it came in. I think it's really nice, simple cardboard packaging with the Zinff logo on the front. Just really nice, well packaged and really sturdy. And then you open it up, and that's the case with the glasses in. It's a really nice plastic sturdy case with Zinff on the front in like orange writing. I think this looks quite quirky. It's really simple, but it's got like a nice quirkiness to it. So yeah, I really like that. And then you open it up and you get your cleaning cloth. And this is just a really good quality cleaning cloth to clean your glasses with. So that's really nice. And these are the first pair I chose. They're called Zeus-Oval Tortoise eyeglasses, and the frames are like these lovely tortoise shell, which I really love. The 2 pairs of glasses I've chosen are quite simple because, as you all know, I do like my muted tones, so I don't really wear glasses at all. These are just for fashion purposes. I didn't get a prescription. These are non-prescription because I don't wear glasses. But I thought I'll choose ones that I would wear like in videos and stuff. So I thought I'll go with like my usual colourway. Don't go for anything too quirky, even though they looked fabulous. I just don't think they'd be for me. But yeah, so I like these ones. I really like the look of them. The frame seems super sturdy, really nice quality. So yeah, I really like those. So let's try them on. So that's the first pair. What do you think? I'm not sure about glasses on me. I never know if I suit them. But I do quite like the look of these ones. I think they're quite classic. They'd go with anything. So yeah, I like these. And that's them from the side. And you know what? The fit is amazing on them. They're not pushing at the nose. They're really comfortable on the face. They're quite big for my face. I wouldn't usually choose something quite as big, but I really do like them. I think they look pretty good. You'll have to let us know what you think. You'll have to let us know if you like this pair or the next pair I show you. I like these ones. I'm happy with those. I'm feeling the vibe for them. Really are. I think they look really nice. So those are the first pair. And the second pair, obviously in the same box, the same packaging all together. Now these ones are a little bit more of a smaller frame. I've got quite a small face, so I thought these ones would be a good option for me. They're just a really simple, plain black frame, like a rectangle shape, and I just think they're, again, really classy. And these ones are called the Scala Rectangle black eyeglasses. And let's try these ones on. So that's those ones. I'm liking these ones. I like how these sit on my face as well. They're not too big for my face at all. I just think they look really nice, classy, quite sophisticated, like amazing. It reminds us of like real office wear glasses. I think I look quite professional in these ones. But yeah, so that's the frame, just simple black frame. Really love them, really comfortable. Again, they feel amazing. They're not digging in anywhere, they're sitting nicely behind me ears. I'm loving them, I really am. I think they look really nice. I'm sorry if you're getting any reflections from me light there, but there's not much I can do about that. But yeah, I'm really liking these glasses. I think they're fabulous quality, really good quality. And you know what, if you go to your local opticians and get glasses of this sort of quality, you're looking at a couple of £100. So I think they're really good quality for the price. Amazing. And I'm loving them, I really am. I can't believe how comfortable they are, because even if I wear like my sunglasses, they do get on my nerves a bit, but these aren't at all. I'm really vibing them. I think they look really nice. So loving those ones. So yeah, you'll have to let us know which ones you prefer. And also I've got to say that from ordering these glasses, honestly, they came super fast. I didn't expect them to come fast because all the post has been really held up lately with everything that's going on, and these were just, they arrived amazingly fast. I was so shocked. They were in really good packaging, and I just thought, what an amazing company. The woman I dealt with as well, she has been amazing. She's answered any questions I've had on them, and it seems such an amazing company. It really does. But yeah, I'm so surprised at the quality of these. They're really good. I'm very impressed by them. So don't forget to check Zinff out if you're looking for prescription or non-prescription glasses. I'll leave the website down below and all the links to the glasses that I've gotten. So if you like those ones, you can just click on the link. I've got a code for you all and I'll link it all below. There's a few different codes and I think you can use my code in conjunction with some others as well, so you'll get quite a good discount on there. So if you're checking Zinff out and you're wanting to buy any of the glasses, don't forget to enter the code because you'll get a nice little discount, and who doesn't love that? So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and thanks to Zinff for collaborating with us on this video. I've really enjoyed it and I do honestly love the glasses. So thank you so much, and I'll see you all very soon for my next video. Bye.